Good day, everyone. Exam season is here, but don't stress, I'll get you covered. So in this video, we're going through the ultimate Math 10 Term 1 examination reviewer. Now, let's do a recap about linear inequalities in two variables. So remember, our solution is not just a line, it's an entire half plane. Pay close attention to your symbol. Use dash line for less than or greater than, and solid line if it is include equal to. Always use a quick test point like 0, 0 to know exactly which side to shade. If it is true, shade that side. If it is false, shade the opposite. Okay, so let us start with this question. So, what is the boundary line of inequality 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8? So, maraming nalilito tayo dito. Kapag sinabing, kapag nakita nyo ang equation na ito, tatanungin sa sarili nyo, solution po ito, paano po natin ito isi-solve? No, it's very easy only. So, the question is boundary line. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabing boundary line, papalitan lang natin yung inequality symbol ng equal sign. So, remember this. Get the boundary line by replacing the inequality symbol with an equal sign. So, again, papalitan lang po natin yung inequality symbol to equal sign. So, alin po dito yung pinalitan lang natin ng equal sign. Mapapansin po natin, eliminate natin ito. So, si A, eliminate natin since it is minus. Eliminate this also. At syempre, it is also eliminate. So, ibig sabihin, our answer is letter B. Okay, so let us have another question. A solid boundary line should be used when the inequality symbol is, ang tanong dito is, anong inequality symbol ang gagamitin kapag sinabing solid boundary line. So, bago tayo pumunta doon sa choices, so let us recap muna sa inequality symbol and boundaries. So, yung symbol na less than or equal, less than or greater than, so ang boundary line niya po is dash. Then the boundary is not included. So this is our illustration for the less than or greater than. So kapag sinabi namang less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, so the boundary is solid line. So ibig sabihin, the boundary line is included. Since ang tanong ay solid boundary line, so ibig sabihin, ang gamitin natin na inequality symbol is this. So, ibig sabihin, alin po dito sa ABC? So, ibig sabihin, our answer is letter C. Okay, so let us have another question. So, which inequality represent the half plane above the line y equal to negative x plus 3 excluding the boundary line? So, anong ibig sabihin ng question na ito? Ang tinatanong dito is inequality represent. So, ibig sabihin, yung equal sign na ito, papalitan po natin ng inequality symbol, yung 4. Ang tanong, paano natin malaman kung anong inequality symbol ang gagamitin natin? Tingnan natin yung question. Ang half plane po niya is above, then yung boundary line niya po is excluding. So, balikan po natin o recap tayo muna doon sa quick rules po ng region solution. So, pansin po natin, kapag sinabing not included, ibig sabihin less than or greater than lang po ang gagamitin. So, kapag boundary included is less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. Again, so kapag po included is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Kapag excluded or not included, so less than or greater than. So, ang tanong naman po is above or below. Paano malaman kapag above or below? Kapag po ay greater than, above, kapag less than is below. So, since po ang tanong dito natin ay above, so ibig sabihin, greater than po ang gagamitin natin. So, alin po dito sa 4? Yung mayroon greater than. So, eliminate po si B at saka si D kasi po ay included po siya. So, it's either A lang po or C. So, since po above, so greater than, so sabihin letter A po yung sagot natin. So, yun lang po. Tandaan lang po natin yung dash, ito, yung boundary line po niya. Kapag greater than, above, kapag less than is below. Okay, so let us have another question. Which statement is correctly describe the solution region of y is greater than, less than or equal to 2x minus 1? So again, recap tayo sa quick rules natin. So kapag less than or equal to, so ibig sabihin ang gamitin natin, the boundary is included. So kapag po less than or equal lang po is not included. So then, kapag po ay greater than, above, kapag po ay less than ay below. So, ibig sabihin, since ito ay less than or equal to, so yung boundary line natin po is included, and then yung graph po natin, yung pag-shade natin is below. So, alin po dito sa apat na ito, yung nagpapakita po o nagdi-describe sa region, sa solution region ng y is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. So, si A, mapapansin po natin si A ay above. So, above, so eliminate na po ito, then eliminate na rin po si C. So, ito na lang po ang pagpipilian natin, B or D na lang. So, alin po dito sa dalawang ito yung tama? So, since po ay below tayo, so titingnan natin yung boundary niya. So, included ba or excluded? So, ibig sabihin, so since ay less than po siya is equal to, ibig sabihin, included po siya. So, ibig sabihin, element si D, our answer is letter B. So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so let us have another question. So, which point satisfies the inequality x plus 2y is less than 2, 7? So, ibig sabihin, magte-test point lang tayo. So, meron po tayo apat na choices dito, A, B, C, or D. So, alin na dito magpapakita o satisfy dito sa inequality na ito by using the test point. So, let's try letter A. So, test point natin si A, which is 3 and 2. Then, substitute lang po si x and y. So, alam naman natin ito ay x, ito ay y. So, substitute lang po x. So, x ay 3, then y is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Then, plus 3 is 7. So, ibig sabihin, so mali po siya. Dapat ay equal po ito. Okay? So, eliminate na po si A. Next, si B naman po. Same test point natin si B. Substitute lang po. So, x and y po ito. X natin is 1, then 3 natin, y natin is 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So, ibig sabihin, dapat equal po ito. Ibig sabihin, eliminate na po si B. So, ngayon, si C naman, substitute lang po si x at saka si y. So, ibig sabihin, x natin is 2, then y natin is 2. So, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Ibig sabihin, 6 is less than to 7. Ibig sabihin, it is correct. So, ibig sabihin, letter C po yung sagot natin. No need to test point yung letter D since po nakuha natin yung correct o true solution. Okay? Okay, so let us have another question. So a learner graphs y greater than or equal to x plus 2 using a dashed boundary line and shades the region above the line. Which analysis is correct? So aralin muna natin yung question. Kung mapansin po natin, ang sabi ng learner, yung graph daw niya, gumamit siya ng dash boundary line. Yung boundary line na daw niya po ay gumamit siya ng dash. Take a look po yung given inequality. Tama o mali? So, siya ay mali. Bakit? Kapag sinabing dash, it's either greater than or less than lang. So, kapag ito po ay gagamitin natin ay solid boundary ang gagamitin natin. So, sabihin, mali po ang sagot ni learner. So, balik tayo sa pangalawang scenario, which is shades the region above. So, tiyan natin. Since ay greater than or equal to, since ang sabi niya ay above, so tama po siya. So, mali siya sa boundary, tama yung pag-shade niya. So ito, balikan niyo lang po yung quick rules po ng region solution ng linear inequality. So ibig sabihin, alin po dito sa apat na ito yung tamang analysis. So papansin natin si A ay mali kasi sabi niya the graph is completely correct. So mali siya. So si letter D din ay mali kasi sabi niya both the boundary is incorrect. So it's either B or C na lang. So analyze natin. So sabi ni B, shade daw siya is correct. So tingnan natin, shades is correct. So sabihin tama po ito. Sa letter C naman, the boundary line is correct. So boundary line daw is correct. So mali na ito kasi dapat incorrect yung boundary line niya. So sabihin our answer is letter B. Okay? So lagi natin tatandaan po yung quick rules po ng inequality o region solution ng linear inequality. So kapag ang tinatanong ay boundary line, palitan lang po natin ng equal sign. So kapag dash line po, so less than or greater than, then the boundary is not included. Kapag solid line, greater than or equal to, or my word the equal to, then the boundary is included. So kapag mag-test point tayo, gamit lang tayo ng 0, 0. Kapag true solution, shade that part. Kapag po ay false, shade the opposite part. Okay? So, again, kapag greater than, above, kapag less than po ay below. So, ganun lang po kasimple yung region solution po ng linear inequality. So, good luck for this competency about region solutions. Okay, so kapag abangan po ang sunod na video for the other competency po ng format grade 10.